Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In our previous video we have learned basics of SQL joins, theory types and purpose. Today we will understand inner join in details. We'll be taking a look at how to use inner join to combine data from two tables in SQL. So let's get started. Inner join is one of the most commonly used join types in SQL. It allows you to combine data from two tables based on a common column or columns. The result of an inner join is a new table that contains only the rows where there is a match between the two tables. Let's take a look at an example to see how this works in practice. Suppose we have two tables, an employee table and a department table. The employees table contains information about our employees, such as their name, date of joining and salary. The departments table contains information about the departments that our employee belong to, such as the department name. To combine these two tables using inner join, we need to identify a common column or columns that both tables share. In this case, the common column is the department ID, which is a primary key for department table and foreign key for employee table. Here's the SQL table example. Here's the SQL code for an inner join between the employee and department tables. This code will return a new table that contains all of the columns from both the employee and department tables, but only the rows where there is a match between the two tables based on the department ID column. Let's break down this SQL code a bit further. The select star statement selects all of the columns from both tables. The from statement specifies the two tables that we want to join, which are the employee and department tables. The inner join statement specifies that we want to use inner join to combine the data from these two tables. The AS statement specifies alias of table name. That is short name for table. Finally, the on statement specifies the common column that we want to use to join the two tables, which is the department ID column. In the result table, if there is no match between the department ID in the employee table and the department ID in the department table, that row will not appear in the result table. Let me show you with example. Department ID is null in employee table for employee ID 2 and 15, so this row will not appear. And department ID 20 and 50 is not available in department table but used in employee table against employee ID 3 and 17 respectively, even this row will not appear. And that's it for this video on inner join in SQL. I hope this example has helped you understand how to use inner join to combine data from two tables. In our next video we will come in details of left join. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in next video. Do subscribe to keep learning from Learn Now.